Just want to show you how to use the dryer correctly. Not overfilling the dryer is really optimum because it does need the air to flow. So on the left hand side is delicate and it's cold. On the right hand side is regular. If you're drying your clothes, I never use the delicate side because it's too cold and it won't dry anything. So when I'm drying all the clothes, I use it on the hottest side possible, which is the side for durable fabrics, because we're washing durable fabrics, which is cottons and all the other things. There's nothing delicate that I'm putting in this dryer that I ever would anyway. So I'm always using the right hand side, which is giving me the hottest dryer. Clean lint filter after each load. Now most people don't even know that in here is a little lint filter that's taking all the dust off all the clothing, especially if you've washed that beautiful little tissue in your washing. It's going to be all through the lint as well. So you've got to empty this out so you can have drying efficiency. So you clean that out before you start your drying load. Another thing just to be aware of, the last quarter of the dryer is actually cooling down in the temperature. So if you're wanting to dry things, make sure that last quarter you're not putting your clothes in there because it won't dry them at all. So good luck drying your clothes. How to make sure that your clothes are dry? You can smell in the atmosphere that the cotton's starting to almost cook a little bit. And when I'm checking lots and lots of loads, I am checking them, especially business shirts and things like that, because they can go from that size to that size just from the heat in the dryer. So good luck.